Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm gonna show you the ways to check your TD credit card balance. So to check your TD credit card balance, you just have to follow the steps. So there are different ways of checking your balance. So the number one method is logging into your online banking account. So open up a browser, type in www.td.com/personal banking products. That's gonna take you to the official page. So here you could go ahead and press the login button, and as you press on the login button, then you should be able to select the type of account that you want to log in, enter the credential, and when you're logged into your account, on the main homepage you should be able to see the account details or your credit card balance. Next, you could also contact the customer service team and follow the prompt to have an automated system read your current balance. Next thing, you could also use a mobile device. So you just have to log in into your account and your credit card balance will be shown on the main homepage. So by following the steps, you should have successfully checked your TD Bank credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.